Dear students, myself Vijay Pratap Singh. In last lecture, I had told you about gross value and net value, and I had explained the difference between gross value and net value. So, dear students, with the help of that, we are going to solve questions. But important part is that first we have to revise formula, because the three basic formulas are very important in that national income. Okay, the three basic formula are very important. The first formula today I am going to discuss. Each and every day means tomorrow next formula, day after tomorrow next formula. Three formulas are here very important. Okay, with the help of that we have to solve these formulas one by one. So listen carefully, and what I have written on the board write down also. It should be a very important part for your syllabus. So dear students, if you want my latest video within seconds, so subscribe my channel. If you want, if your friend is there, brother and sister, a relative is there, so share my video, otherwise YouTube link, and then told them to subscribe. So now dear students, we are going to discuss about formula between gross and net. So before starting this topic, we have to discuss about one more thing, about the depreciation, because here the depreciation is the given. Depreciation is the relation. Depreciation is the value. Loss in the value. Okay, loss in the value of goods and services, that one is called depreciation. In last lecture I had explained you. Now we have to discuss the value between gross and net. When we have to calculate depreciation, we know very well gross minus net equal to depreciation. When we are going to calculate gross, the net plus depreciation should be there in inside. Suppose for example, I had purchased a machine. Wait a minute, before that listen all three formulas. Gross minus net equal to depreciation. Gross equal to net plus depreciation. Net equal to gross minus depreciation. Any two will be given in the question. According to that you have to calculate. Suppose gross value of my machine, gross value of machine 10 lakhs. मान लिया मेरे मशीन की ग्रॉस वैल्यू 10 लाख रुपए है, एंड डेप्रिसिएशन ओके आफ्टर 2 years, after 2 years, for example 2 lakhs, 2 lakhs, it should be given in front of you. Okay, see, gross value of machine is a 10 lakh, depreciation after 2 years 2 lakhs. Then what is the net value of the machine? So net equal to 10 lakhs minus 2 lakhs here, and what is the value? 8. With the help of that we can able to calculate our net value of the machine. Same thing, any two topics will be given in the question, and according to that you have to solve. Same thing dear students, we are going to solve here with the help of next example. So example is given in front of you. GDP. GDP means gross domestic product. MP is written. MP means market price. Dear students, before this lecture I had sent one more video and one more lecture I had taken. On that lecture I had explained about MP and FC. Once again listen. MP and FC. Two topics should be here. MP means market price, FC means factor cost. It should be very important. Okay, the definition, okay, and meaning also I had explained on that time. You have to revise once again. It should be very important. That's why I see here MP is written. GDP, gross domestic product, market price. According to that, we are going to solve that question. It should be given 500. And depreciation is given 50. Find NDP, net domestic product, market price. So dear students, before this lecture I had written one more formula and I had explained to find NDP. So formula you have to write NDP equal to NDP MP equal to GDP MP minus depreciation. Okay, GDP MP minus depreciation. With the help of that you can able to solve NDP MP. So GDP is given 500, depreciation is given 50. So 500 minus 50 equal to 450. And what is the value of that one? This is the value of net domestic product, market price. With the help of that we can able to explain. So dear students, in front of you two example I had given. With the help of that you can explain, otherwise you can able to solve your questions. If any confusion you are facing, you have to give a comment. Okay, this is the very important part. Comment is a very important. When you have to give me comment, I can able to know where is the problems. With the help of that I will explain in the new lecture, next lecture, same thing. Okay, and if you have to like, then subscribe and like. With the help of same example you have to revise and make a notes. If this example is clear, then now we are going to represent second example in front of you. So dear students, write second example. With the second example we are going to discuss. So example number second, write NDP MP. NDP MP, net domestic product, market price equal to rupees 4,000. Okay, next one is a given depreciation. Depreciation is a given rupees 600 and calculate GDP MP. That one we have to calculate. Okay, this one. So this is a very important one. It should be given NDP MP, net domestic product market price is equal to 4,000. It should be given in front of you, and depreciation is given 600, and asking to calculate GDP MP. So now formula will be changed. GDP will become front, means GDP MP Okay, GDP MP equal to NDP MP, net domestic product market price plus depreciation. So it should be very easiest form I had converted in front of you. With the help of that, you can able to solve your questions, dear students. If you are facing any confusion, you have to ask me, because in front of you I had given 3 examples. First example here I had erased after explanation. Second example is here, and one more example I am giving here. So if any confusion you are facing, please you have to ask, because this chapter is a very important part for your syllabus, and it should be very important part for each and every exam. When you will go in the future to give exam of UPSC, IAS, IPS, PCS, SSC very well, if economic syllabus is coming, then these all things are compulsory. It should be there. It should be in the syllabus. So you have to be there. You have to revise each and every topic. How we are going to calculate. One more thing. That short name I have written in the board, on the board. The short name is also come in the MCQ questions. Net domestic product market price. Okay. ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट मार्केट प्राइस एक साथ इसको पढ़ा जाता है. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. नाउ कम ऑन द टॉपिक. नेट डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट मार्केट प्राइस इज गिवन 4000 plus depreciation is given 600, means 4600 will be the value of GDP MP. मतलब आपने GDP MP को 4600 कैलकुलेट किया है. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, these are the very important explanation, very important topics are given in front of you, so you have to solve. If you are facing any confusion, you have to write, you have to ask, you have to make a notes. And one more thing, you have to prepare well to know the names of shortening. GDP अगर कहीं लिखा होगा तो आप कहोगे ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट. सपोज कहीं लिखा होगा NDP, नेट डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट. अगर कहीं लिखा होगा GNP, ग्रॉस नेशनल प्रोडक्ट. अगर वहीं कहीं लिखा होगा NNP, तो नेट नेशनल प्रोडक्ट होता है वो. ठीक है. GDP लिखा है तो ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट हो गया. NDP कहीं लिखा है तो नेट डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट हो गया. अगर अगला टॉपिक है GNP कहीं लिखा है तो ग्रॉस नेशनल प्रोडक्ट हो गया. अगला होगा NNP कहीं लिखा हो तो नेट नेशनल प्रोडक्ट हो जाएगा. मैंने अभी 8 नाम आपके सामने बताए हैं. ये 8 नाम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट हैं आपके सिलेबस के लिए. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, 8 नेम आई हैव टोल्ड इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. जस्ट यू हैव टू राइट द 8 नेम्स ऑन योर नोट्स and revise it well. With the help of these all things, you can able to solve all questions in the future. So dear students, you had given me special time to listen my lecture. Thank you all. But one more request is given, you have to make notes with the help of that. Okay, notes, revise well. That's why we are working hard for you only. That much work we are preparing, that much work we are doing on the making these types of video for you only. So dear students, please you have to also revise, because it's our request to make these all things. With the help of that you will get good marks. When you are getting marks, it should be important part for us also. Okay, thank you all for listening my lecture. But important thing is that you have to prepare notes. Okay, thank you.